Once again, hitting in with the very positive, uplifting tracks there. That was The Virus. It didn't start with an A, but the song started with an A. That was Already Dead. Oh, so sweet, so uplifting for this time of the evening. It's such a beautiful day. It's a little bit of grey, but that's what we do here on Parallel Sounds here on Swear FM at 99.9, the best local station that you are going to find in Sydney. And it's just over the top. It's going off tonight, I think. I'm having a great time. I've one coffee, seriously, one coffee, and I'm going off like this. This is fantastic. I'm going to play 3 songs now from my favourite band. That starts with A, at least. It does have my future husband singing lead on this. Yeah, you're probably familiar. The band is AVAIL. I just love this band so much. They start with A, but this track I'm going to play first off, it is a cover, and it's a great cover. I love this one. And I'm gonna do a shout out here for Parish listening in, because kind of a bit of a not really country twang, but look, I think you're gonna like it anyway. This is AVAIL. It's gonna do 3 songs from them, but this first one, a cover from John Cougar Mellencamp. This is Pink Houses. This is the best cover of this song you're ever gonna hear. Enjoy this.
Some high rise and vacation, I go like, oh, yeah. there's winners and there's losers, but they ain't no big deal. Just a simple man, baby, pays the thrills, the pills that kill. Ah, but ain't that America? You and me, ain't that America? Something to see, babe, ain't that America? Home for the free, yeah. The big houses for you and me. Ain't that America? You and me, ain't that America? Something to see, babe, ain't that America? Home for the free, yeah. The big houses for you and me. Yeah, for you and me. Yeah.
Tripped all over my friends at once as they were starting to unwind. Had a feeling I was losing, cause as they moved along, I was falling far behind. Got a frame full of good intentions that I left back at home to rot. Thought that to stay underground and go streamline, I'll be strong, now I know I'm not. Every day's a week now, I search for identity. The ground below my feet has got the best of me, and I'm tired of always changing. I'm tired of being seen. The path is leading homeward bound, only God knows where I've been. And I'm tired of always changing. I'm tired of being seen. The path is leading homeward bound, only God knows where I've been. Got sick of all of my friends at once as they were starting to unwind. Had a feeling I was losing, cause as they moved along, I was falling far behind. Got a box full of small inventions that I left back at home to rot. Thought that to stay underground and go streamline, I'd be strong, now I know I'm not. Many months have been gone now, I've learned from all I've seen. Turn around and face outward bound, this has got the best of me. And I'm tired of always changing, I'm tired of being seen. The path is leading homeward bound, only God knows where I've been. And I'm tired of always changing, I'm tired of being seen. The path is leading homeward bound, only God knows where I've been. I keep looking for an answer till my eyes have gone blind. I run myself in circles and made it through this time with one foot on the platform, one foot on the train. I'm going back to Richmond to wear that ball and chain, cause I'm tired of always changing, I'm tired of being seen. The path is leading homeward bound, only God knows where I've been. And I'm tired of always changing, I'm tired of being seen. The path is leading homeward bound, only God knows where I've been. And I'm tired of always changing,
That was my triple play of the Triple A band. I think they're fantastic. AVAIL. Starting off with the cover, that was a shout out as well to Parish listening. The cover was Pink Houses by John Mellencamp, Johnny Cougar. I don't know what he goes by these days, but that dude that did the Jack and Diane song. Yeah, I think you know who I'm talking about. Also was Fifth Wheel, and that track there, 25 years, from their fantastic album Over the James. If you get a chance to pick that up or listen to it online wherever, do yourself a favour. It's fantastic album. I love it. And yeah, obviously I love the band. They start with A, so they fit with the semi-theme of the song. It just kind of came together like that. The usual thing. This is Parallel Sound here on Swear FM 99.9, the best alternative punk and indie that you're going to find in Sydney, and yes, around the world, to those few people that might be listening at some ridiculous hour on the other side of the world that have no clue what they've clicked on. They're just thinking, why is this girl talking so fast? I've had one coffee. One coffee. I think I have to wean myself off it. Anyway, I'm going to play a track now. It's listen to the backing vocals, and I'll give you some info after it. It's gonna blow your mind, man. I think Howie the Hippie will just absolutely lose it. This is a band, another favourite of mine, the Circle Jerks. It doesn't start with A, but we'll give them that. The Circle Jerks, and this track is I Wanna Destroy You.